Welcome back. Today we will make cheese tonkatsu. We will need thin pork chop and cheese, all-purpose flour, eggs beaten, and breadcrumbs. This one is really easy to make. Let's start. Dash some salt and pepper on the meat, and then we will simply sandwich the cheese in the meat. Like this. Dash a little bit to taste. First, we'll cover the meat with all-purpose flour. Like this, okay? Try to cover everything. Second, put the tonkatsu in the beaten eggs. Make sure to wet all of it, okay? And then let's try one more. Then, cover the tonkatsu with breadcrumbs. We will make one more, and in the same process. Put some oil on the frying pan, set in medium heat. We will fry for 3 minutes on one side. Cook for 3 minutes, okay? After that, flip and cook for another 3 minutes. We will do this process until the meat is cooked. I usually make it for 1 minute, for another 1 minute for each side. And hi, if it's your first time visiting my channel, hello, I'm Kitin. I usually make Japanese food, but sometimes I also feature some Filipino food, and of course I will learn from you. Okay, so hope we'll become friends here on this platform. This is really good with cabbage. Hope you'll enjoy this dish. Friends, hope you'll give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for new videos. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Enjoy your meal.